Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Finally again. It was very hot the last few weeks, so I didn't do much. It's now a bit cooler, but it's still hot in here. It's well, I think we are going to have thunder and lightning and that sort of weather, because it's very high pressure, high pressure, I think. So, but I promised you I want you to show that I should, well, I start again. I want you to show how I make this stuff, headband or tailband, which I use and which you can use in the books, like so. That's the other side, that's the tailband. Come on, focus. Well, I think you get the idea. He doesn't focus. So, what I need is some kind of band. Yeah. I don't know how you call that stuff. Oh, you can't see it. That stuff. Or, well, shoulder band. It's called in Dutch. I found it in the thrift store. It's a bit smaller, but it's woven band. Come on, focus. Oh, it's too hot. Well, I hope you can see it, what kind of band it is. How do you call that? We call it band, but I don't know how you call it, but that stuff. I'm going to use this one because it's a bit bigger, so you can watch it better. What I more need is, I use some rope, ordinary rope, that kind of stuff. You use that rope to bind package with. And glue, of course. I use fabric glue and scissors and 2 colors of wool. This is broderie wool or cotton. It's not wool, it's cotton. And this is just crochet cotton, and I'm using the size 10, I think. What I'm doing is I'm getting a piece of rope. Yeah, I just take a piece of rope, not too much this time, just a little piece of rope. Then I take one end of the white cotton of the color 1 and one end of the color 2. Just have to pick the right end. It's, well, I have 3 ends. Well, whatever. I have to have a long piece. And I hope, well, that was the wrong one, that's the right one. So I take a brown piece. Can you see it? Yeah. Oh, I forgot to put my telly on television, so I can watch it better what I'm doing. And the white one. Like so. Oh. And I'm tying a little knot just to keep both threads yarn together. So I have this. And where's my piece of rope? Here it is. Well, I take the end of the piece of rope and I put some glue on it. Just a little piece, like so. Yeah, you see the glue? A bit of glue. And now I'm gluing the yarn on the rope. And I'm rotating the yarn and I'm the brown or the orange on that side and the white on that side, and I want to keep it that way because I want to well, I want to have it this way: white, brown, white, brown, white, brown, and so on. So and just turn it around the rope like so. You see? So I glue a little bit further. And just turn it around, keeping the threads, the white on the left and the brown on the right. Like so. And that's what I'm doing all the way along. Until I have finished the whole piece. You can, of course, use every color you want. Just, well, the threads have to be even thick. The thickness of the thread must be the same. So that's it basically. Just keep the white left and the brown thread on the right, and just turn it around the rope. And you can do it as long as you want to do it. Well, I will finish this piece of rope, and when I'm ready, I'll come back. So I'm almost there at the end. And that's it. So I'm laying it down. So this is what I have. I'm cutting the thread off, and I'm cutting that piece off like so. Ah, it's hot in here. So this is what I have. Oh, that way. And now I'm taking a piece of this stuff, cut it like so, and now I'm gluing the rope just not on top but on the front. Just put some glue on the top, like so. Put glue here for the like so. And now I'm gluing that piece just on top. Oh, sorry, just on top of that piece of band, or how do we call it? So, and when you have glued it on, well, it has to dry, and well, it's ready. It's ready. So that's my headband and tailband. And you just can glue it on, and well, I can use this stuff too. It's a bit smaller, but that's no problem. So, well, I hope you enjoyed watching me doing this, and I hope well, you can make your own headband yourself when you need it. Thank you for watching. Bye.